In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to begin by accessing Clock app and clicking on Alarm at the bottom left corner of it. Then, to add a new one, tap on this plus located next to 3 dots. Finally, set up an hour. When you're ready, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, in my case Mondays and Fridays, and click on Alarm Name. Now you can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. When you're ready, you can click on all of those switches next to all of those features to switch them off or on. You can also tap on all of them to adjust them. I will start with alarm sound. Over here, you can adjust the volume of your alarm by swiping left or right on this slider. Then select one of those sound sources. In my case, ringtone. Hit allow and tap on one of those songs right away to apply the best one, like Pluto. You can also tap on the switches next to those two features to switch them on or off. In order to pick music from your smartphone instead of one of those melodies, click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Click on the song that you wish to apply, and by clicking on this switcher, decide if you wish to play selected highlights or not at all. When you finished, select Done at the top right corner. Then go back, click on Vibration section, and select the best vibration pattern for your incoming alarms, like heartbeat. You can also click on Snooze, select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then finally go back one last time and save your alarm by hitting on Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. Lastly, to delete it, just hold it, click on Delete at the bottom right corner, and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!